Long ago is the Roman Empire. The echo of clashing swords writes history. Two mighty Roman forces prepare for an epic confrontation. Up in the hills in the north, General Maximus, known for his unwavering courage, readies his legion. His eyes are set on victory, his heart beats for Rome's glory. But in the south, near the forest lines, stands his rival, General Decimus. His strategy is unmatched, his warriors fearless. Who will seize the day when these titans collide? What strategies will unfold on this historic battlefield? The two formidable legions stand face to face, under the watchful eyes of their generals. The air is thick with tension, the silence broken only by the occasional clink of armor and the soft rustle of banners fluttering in the wind. As the generals signal the advance, the disciplined ranks move forward, the ground trembling under the synchronized march of countless feet. Spears and shields clash in a cacophony of metal and shouts, as soldiers engage in a dance of combat honed by rigorous training and unyielding discipline. The strategic prowess of the commanders plays out in real time, with flanking maneuvers and swift counterattacks, each trying to outmaneuver the other. Amidst the chaos, individual acts of bravery and sacrifice shine through, as the soldiers, driven by loyalty and the glory of Rome, fight fiercely for victory. The battle rages on, a testament to the might and spirit of the Roman Empire, where the outcome is not just about conquest, but also about honor and the writing of history. Join us in this grand tale of power, betrayal, and honor. Discover the secrets and strategies that shaped the Roman world. If you're thrilled by this saga, click the like button and share your favorite moment in the comments. Subscribe and hit the bell for more legendary stories. Have you joined our legion yet? Comment below.